What is up, Flawless Gang? So happy fall. We are officially in fall right now, and it's time for some new hair. So we're working with Tinashe hair today, and they sent me a wig. So they sent me a comb. This is a nice body. This has some great gifts, y'all. I'm telling you. A wig cap. They sent me some lashes that are so cute packaging. I love that. They sent me also a branded melt band. We love that. Yes, I love those. And then they sent me these hair clips along with an edge brush. So this is what the box came in for the wig. It says Tinashe, and this is some information about it. And inside with the card, a little bit about their company and how to find them on social media. So there's also some hair care instructions if you don't know how to take care of your wig. So here is the wig. This is a 13x4 highlighted wig, honey blonde. Oh my god, this is literally the wig for the fall. I love it. So I'm going to first start off by just making sure that it's secure on my head in the center. I don't want it to be off center because I have to cut my ear tabs. Normally, I cut my ear tabs off camera, and this is what the lace is looking like. I love this wig so far. It's really pretty. So I'm just pinning back the hair, and I'm just going to be able to start making my snips for the ear tabs. So when you're doing ear tabs, just follow along the line of your ear. Don't cut too low, don't cut too high, but just cut along where your ear curves, and you should be perfectly fine. I made some slits, and I took a new product. I used the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. So I wanted to try this out. I had bought this like a month ago, and I was like, I want to try it out. This is a glueless glue. It's not like lace glue. It's kind of like a adhesive gel. So it gets tacky just like if you would just apply the spray from Eben. Same thing. But I'm just spreading that evenly across my forehead, and then I'm going to place the lace in front of it once it gets tacky with the the blow dryer on cool air. And yeah, so right now I'm just making sure this is all down, and then I'm going to come back, y'all, once we are getting into styling, because I did use a couple new products that I will let y'all know. They are bomb. So I found the mousse, y'all. I found it. I told y'all in my last install, if I tried this mousse that does not lift the lace, I was going to let y'all know, and I found it today. So stay tuned, y'all. When it gets to the styling part, I'm going to spill the tea on this mousse. It is a game changer. I'm telling you, the best mousse on the market right now. Alright, y'all, so it's time to start getting into getting this wig super flat. I almost burned my ear off, child. Make sure y'all careful with them hot comb, child. And this one get hot. $20. That hot comb is the bomb. I'm telling you, that's my favorite hot comb besides the any one. That one really burn out. Like, it would really burn out and burn through anything. But that and this one, woo, baby, for $20, that thing gets hot. That's a great durable hot comb, okay, period. But I'm just going to slick this back. So I took some wax, my wax stick, and I'm trying to decide whether I want a middle part or a side part. I feel like with bobs, I never really know what I want to do. I haven't done a middle part bob in a long time. I just love side part bobs. Oh my god, I think they're so cute. Like, this is the middle part. I really was not feeling it. So I said, let me comb that out. Let me push it to the side and see what it looked like. And then once I kind of seen what it looked like, I feel like it just fit the style of the wig. Just because it's colored, it just gave Mary J. Blige. Yes, like, this is what we going with. That's how I knew it was time to do the side part. So going back in with my favorite wax stick again, which is the luster one. This is so good. I get this at my beauty supply store. It's one of the best wax sticks besides She Is Bomb. That one's really good too. But going to take this section by section. That's how you get a really flat install. Take section by section with your hair, whether it's curly or straight. Take small sections and just hot comb it down. You would get a super flat install and it would be so much better. Tell you, that wig was given. I was feeling it once I was starting to hot comb, and I said, yeah, it's starting to come into life. Okay, so I'm just gonna hot comb this, and then I'm going to take section by section. You see me right now. I'm just going to put a little bit of wax and some spritz on each section and just press it down, and it gets it super flat. So keep doing this, and then I'm going to come back into the mousse. I'm gonna tell y'all about that. It is so bomb. One of the most annoying parts of an install is doing the edges. I feel like this is like probably my least favorite part, just because, like, I don't know, it just be a task. It takes forever to get the perfect edges and the swoop. I don't know. I could be sitting here for like a whole hour trying to perfect this. And really, you set me there for an hour, I could really be sitting there doing it still. But oh my god, the mousse, y'all. Cream of Nature mousse. Go to Amazon right now and grab that mousse. I'm telling you, the best mousse on the market, hands down. It has no alcohol. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Best mousse ever. I'm telling you right now, go buy that right now. Your lace will not be lifting. If you melt it correctly, you let it sit for as much time as it needs to sit, and you really let that glue or whatever you put on really melt, and you cut that lace, and then you do your edges and all that once you melt it. Tell you, chef kiss, that mousse is the best mousse ever. And that heat protector is my favorite, which is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat. So delicious smelling. It's literally addicting. And I recently got a new flat iron. This is the Babyliss Pro Titanium Flat Iron, period. Sally's. It was like $70, $60. It was a great investment. I kind of always wanted a wider flat iron. I feel like them skinny ones just don't be doing it for me. I feel like they're more suitable for when you're like trying to get really close to the roots. That's the only downside about a big flat iron, is that it really can't get close to the roots like that. But for like pressing out hair, that stuff be coming in handy, okay? So I also do use black strips when I am using mousse or any type of product on my edges, just to make sure it absorbs everything and really dries. I love that. And yeah, so right now we're at the end of the install, y'all. I'm just pressing this out, getting it, you know, figured out how I want it, comb it out, and just get it real straight. So that really is the end of this video, y'all. I really do love this hair. This bob was so beautiful. It is bob season, y'all. Get y'all some color. These fall colors are in, especially these browns and like honey blondes. Get y'all some honey blonde hair. I'm telling you, it is going to be in and it's going to be a look for the fall. We have fall for a couple more weeks now, so get y'all a bob and get you this colored bob from Tinashe here. I'll have it linked below. Along with all their other bobs, they have some affordable wigs that are great quality. They give you some amazing gifts, and just the customer service is just so beautiful. This is my first time working with them, and I am so impressed with the quality of the wig and also just everything that was included. It was just so nice, and everything was just so speedy. The processing time and the delivery time was not long at all. It was like delivered in like 4 days. That was incredible. So shop with Tinashe, y'all. If you're looking for some affordable hair, shop with them. They have some great options. But I love you guys. I'm checking out. All my information for my social medias in the description box. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for more content from me. Subscribe to my second channel as well. Will be linked below. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much, and I will catch y'all back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.